In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your broker to TradingView Mobile. By the end, you'll have your brokerage linked so you can place trades directly from your phone's chart screen. Make sure you have the TradingView app installed and that your broker is supported in your region. First, go to TradingView Mobile. Open the app and sign in to your TradingView account so your settings and watch lists load correctly. If this is your first time, allow any permissions the app requests so it can function smoothly. Next, click on Charts at the bottom. This takes you to the main chart workspace, which is where TradingView keeps all broker connections. Loading a chart first ensures the trading panel is available and ready to pair with your account. Now click on the up and down arrow icon at the bottom. This icon opens the trading panel. It may appear as two arrows or a trade label depending on your device theme and app version. If you don't see it immediately, give the chart a moment to finish loading or gently scroll the bottom bar until the trading options appear. Here, you can search and choose your broker, then click on it and connect. Use the search bar to quickly find your broker by name and double-check you're selecting the correct region or entity if your broker has multiple listings. Tapping Connect will open a secure sign-in or authorization screen from your broker. Follow the prompts to authenticate and grant TradingView permission to access your account. If your credentials are correct and the broker is available, the connection will complete and you'll see your broker's name in the trading panel. From here, your order tickets, balances, and positions will populate in the chart interface. If your broker doesn't appear, update the TradingView app and try again, or confirm your broker supports TradingView mobile connections. If you run into errors, verify your login details with the broker directly and ensure your account type is enabled for third-party platforms. To disconnect or switch brokers later, return to the same arrow icon and manage your connection from the trading panel.